Hampang ka mo ta. Ang pan lang exitan niya. Gamay lang siya. May gawang man diya sa piyak. Yan. This is the door. Here the door, baby. You see. This is the things that I told you. I buy it. Complete everything, and also the wire inside. This one. Some of this. On. You see. Oh, the light there. Oh, on.
May shower
On.
Yan!
Din si Nining. Those things. See? So this is the socket, baby, inside. This one have here. This one I need to clean tomorrow because today there's still more things here. See, good. It's clean, huh? Clear already, huh? This one. This is the bathroom. You see, here's already the socket. Here the on and off. This one. See. Switch on the light. Yan. So all that one that I told you I bought in Iloilo City for the bulb, for the wire, everything, the cable inside here. To put it. This is the shower bathroom. That's it. And this one, the toilet. It's already okay. Need to buy some tissue. And this one, the sink. So okay, huh? Very close to this one. Tali diyan banda. Did you see that? All the orange one, the wire that I bought here. So I need to put the freezer maybe there tomorrow.